Hey everybody, it's Cassidy DJ Beds, and I've sort of been a retired DJ Beds for a while, haven't I? I hung up the headphones in 2020 and got into real estate, and I've been thinking, what would it take for me to unretire? Well, people ask me that question all the time, and I tell them, nothing. I'm happy. I don't want to get back into DJing, and guess what happened? You can never say never, because I am officially back. Headphones on and ready to go. I'm going to be your DJ and host for the inaugural Aurora Borealis Festival taking place at the Winged Melody Park in Aurora, Highlands. I personally love Aurora. I've lived in Colorado my whole life. I've spent a lot of time there. I love the place, and I'm so thrilled and honored to be able to give back a little bit. Here's what's going to be happening. Super cool tribute to the Borealis, the Northern Lights, taking place in your hometown of Aurora. I'm going to be on the main stage, the On Havana main stage, where you're going to have lots of musical acts and lots of fun, as well as the Grand Light Show. In addition to that, you're going to want to check out the Architects of Air exhibit, the Orb Garden, the interactive projection wall. There's going to be a sound dome. There's going to be a light tunnel. There's going to be a lot of stuff. And if you want to see it all, head over to Aurora Borealis Festival.com. There's also going to be some great eats and drinks, the dining pavilion, tap room, as well as a global gift bazaar. I want to take the opportunity to thank my friends over at the city of Aurora, also presented to you by Visit Aurora. I'm thrilled, I'm honored, I'm excited. I cannot wait. Head over right now to auroraborealis.com to reserve your tickets. They're free, but you want to reserve a time frame. Get yourself a parking pass and check out the VIP packages, auroraborealisfestival.com. You're not going to want to miss this celebration of light and community. More northern lights than this, but this is good light too. I'll see you in Aurora.